Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're looking at the AQA Foundation Tier Paper 2 GCSE Mathematics. This is the second paper in the Foundation Tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we pick it up in question 26, which reads, a ball is thrown from a height of 15 meters. It bounces to a height h1, then to height h2 as shown. h1 is 3/4 of the original height. 26a says Jack expects h2 to be 3/4 of h1. Work out the value of h2 that he expects. Okay, so we've got our ball, it's going boing, boing, boing. So this height here is, I think they said 3/4. h1 is 3/4 of the original height, and the original height is 15. So this is 3/4 times 15, which is equal to 45 over 4, or 22.5 over 2. Sorry, I did that in my head without explaining how I did it. So 45 divided by 2, 40 divided by 2 is 20, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So that's 20 plus 2.5 is 22.5 divided by 2. And then 22 divided by 2 is 11, and 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25. So that's h1 is equal to 11.25, whatever the units are, meters. So h1 equals 15 times 3/4 equals 11.25. So h2 is going to be 3/4 of 11.25. So that's 3 over 4 times 11.25. Okay, so I've got my calculator. So I'm just going to type 3 divided by 4 equals times 11.25 equals 8.435. 8.435, I think it said. Let me just try and remember. 8.4375. 8.4375. Okay, so that's the answer that we're looking for. 8.4375 meters. I should really round, but I'm not going to bother. 26b, in fact h2 is 2/3 of h1. How does this affect the answer to part A? Tick the box. So show your working to support your answer. I'm actually going to show my working to try and figure out the answer. So h2 is 2/3, not 3/4, so it's 2/3 of 11.25. So 2/3 times 11.25. I'm going to grab my calculator. Okay, I've got my calculator. So this is 2 over 3 times 11.25 is equal to 7.5. So 7.5. So the ball bounced lower than expected. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams. And I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.